Yeah, styling here. December 21st at Toucan. I'm going to do an after clean video. Got to clean up pretty good. She will need 2 new shaft links on the next visit. Through the video, there may be a couple just little areas that there's still a little smudge. I've hit a lot of this already twice. Some spots that were a little heavier 3 times, but I don't want to take off too much of your blade of paint. It's doing a good job. Let's go take a look. And there's one last little part of the keel I'm going to scrape at the end so that we still got visibility for the video. Yes, thank you.